Today on the Mathlete Quadratics, we will learn how to factor.
Today's lesson is on factoring.
Notes to take. Your equation should be ax squared plus bx plus c. For example, 5w squared plus 6w plus 26. 5 is your a term, 6 is your b term, and 26 is c.
Here is a practice problem to get you going.
5w squared plus 6w plus 1. The first thing you're going to do is multiply the a term by the c term. In this case, it's 5 times 1. Now you're going to find factors of 5 that will add up to the b term, which is positive 6. 5 times 1 equals 5, and 5 plus 1 equals 6.
In order to solve your equation, you need to take your factors and put them and set them up in an expression that looks like this. When you divide 5w by 5 and negative 1 by 5, you get w equals negative 1 over 5. When you solve the other side of your equation, you get w plus 1 equals 0, and after subtracting 1 from both sides, you get w equals negative 1. So your factors of this equation are w equals negative 1 over 5 or negative 1.
The factors of 42 that will equal 1 are negative 6 and positive 7. Now put them in parentheses, and it should say 3z squared minus 6z and 7z minus 14. In the first expression, you can take 3z out of both of them, and you'll be left with z minus 2. In the next expression, you can take 7 out of both, and you'll be left with z minus 2 again. Since z minus 2 repeats, you can cancel 1 out, and your other will be 3z plus 7. Now set both of these equal to 0 and solve. Now you'll set both of these equal to 0. The first thing you'll do in the first equation is add 7 to both sides. You're left with 3z equals 7. Divide 3 on both sides and you have z equals 7 over 3. In the other equation, the first thing you're going to do is add 2 and you're left with z equals 2. Final answer should be z equals 7 over 3 or z equals 2. You need to remember to multiply the a term by the c term, and your factors when added should equal the b term. Also remember to set your equations equal to 0 to solve.